Hello, this is Operations with Integers, the Coordinate Plane, Example 4. And in Example 4, they want us to graph this line. And we'll study this in depth, and we'll do much more complicated equations than this. But for this one, they want us to make a table of values, and then they want us to plot it on a coordinate plane. So a table of values with an equation like this, it's set up so that x is the independent variable. It is whatever it is, and then y depends on whatever x is. So I put in some typical values for x. And if you imagine a 0 being in there, we'd have 0 plus 2, and y would be 2. If you can imagine a 2 for x, we'd have 2 plus 2, which is 4. If x was negative 2, we'd have negative 2 plus 2, and that y would be 0. If x was 4, we'd have 4 plus 2, and y would be 6. And if x was negative 4, we'd have negative 4 plus 2. And if you owe 4 and you have 2, you really owe 2. So this is our table of values, and now we'll plot this table of values in a coordinate plane, and we'll figure out what our line looks like. So let's see, we've got the point 0, 2. So I start here, and I go 0 back and forth and 2 up. Now the point 2, 4. 2 this way and 4 up. Now the point negative 2, 0. So I start here, I go negative 2, and it stays at 0. I've got the point 4, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have the point negative 2. I have the point negative 4, negative 2. Negative 4 is there, and negative 2 is right here. So you can see that my points all line up as they should. And I can draw this line. So what we notice is that the points all line up. As x gets greater, y also gets greater. As x gets smaller, y gets smaller. There's plenty of things that we can really notice from here. This plus 2 means it's 2 up from the origin. This is called the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 2. If you know anything about slope, you'll see the slope is 1. It goes up 1 and to the right 1, up 1 and to the right 1. So that's how to graph that line.